everyone, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are diving into the Pat McGrath Mothership VIII eyeshadow palette. I can't wait to walk you through look number 1, so let's get started. Let's unbox this. All right, so let's open her up. Whoa. So first I'm going to be using this Naked blush color. That's a lot of kickback. This is a very soft eyeshadow, and that looks like it could be a very beautiful blush shade. I might even use it in a little bit. You know what? I'm gonna try to not use maybe too many eyeshadows. Maybe I'm just overcomplicating these eyeshadow palettes. You know, maybe I just need a crease shade and a lid shade. Maybe that's all I need to do. As always, very pigmented. Wasn't expecting any less. That legit took 0 effort. And I'm going actually much higher than I typically do in my crease. And I'm kind of, instead of ending it down here, I'm ending it right here. And kind of extending it this way. Oh my god, this looks so good. I don't even know what I would use next, to be honest. The Mothership VIII was kind of bland in my opinion. I was excited about it at the beginning, but towards the end I kind of got bored of it. Okay, so that's it for that. So naturally I want to go for this bright pink shade right here. Let me just feel this pink. Whoa, very pigmented, very soft. So this right here, this pink right here is called Rose Seduction. So Naked Blush was a matte, and this Rose Seduction color is a satin. Whoa, I love this satin formula. It's very pigmented and it packs a punch. Oh my god, I always love a pink eyeshadow look. Like a very bright pink. Like I feel like I want to wear this all the time. And I kind of just want to leave it on its own. Like I don't want to deepen up the outer V, even though I feel like I should. Should I deepen up that V? No. I'm going to just leave it like this. This shade deserves its own spotlight. Literally a little bit goes such a long way. And the more you pack on, the more intense it becomes. Oh my god, I'm excited for this palette. And I'm loving using my fingers for it. So now that I've packed it on my lid, I want to take a clean blending brush, getting a little bit of it, and I'm going to blend it into my crease, into Naked Blush. Literally, I'm taking a little bit. Ow. Back into Naked Blush, and I'm kind of, these two mixing together is kind of making a darker pink. I'm gonna take a little bit of Naked Blush and I'm gonna blend it into my lower lash line. This shade is so pigmented. I feel like I want to do one of these 3 golds right here, and I think I'm gravitating towards Astral Pink Moon. So I'm gonna get Astral Pink Moon in a pencil brush. Oh, I think this is one of those shades that you can only use with your finger. But let's see, let's try it with the brush. Yep, absolutely transparent. Like, what did I just do? Nothing. But with a finger, it's so pretty. The only thing about these shades is that they perform better with a finger, which in turn makes you not be very precise. Okay, now let's try this color right here called Skin Show Rose Opal. Ooh. I think that's a satin as well. Feels like one. But it kind of doesn't look, it kind of looks like a satin, but it might be like an iridescent because it does have like a purple shift to it. Okay, that's pretty. Oh my god, I'm so excited, and this was so easy to create. I want to try this Naked Blush as an actual blush, and I haven't applied any blush today either, so let's see how it goes. Oh, beautiful. That's so pretty. For my lips, I used the Pat McGrath Permagel Ultra Lip Pencil in Buff and the Christie lipstick. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope you guys enjoyed look number 1. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you in my next video.